An HTML anchor identifies text within a page which can be referenced by a link. The benefit of adding anchors to your course is it makes the page easy to navigate and to jump from one section to the next. To get started, we first need to get the code. Just for easy access, I placed it in this Word document, and this is the code to insert an anchor in a topic section. So to get started, I'm going to copy it, and then I can go full screen on my browser. The next step will be making sure you turn editing on your course page. As I scroll down, I'm looking for the topic or section that I want to create the anchor in, and I'm just going to choose the basics section. I'm going to hit Edit Summary and go to the HTML editor. All the code that you're seeing right now is just associated with the text that's already in that summary box. I'm going to return, and I'm going to paste that code in the HTML editor. Anywhere where you see the word test, you're going to fill it with your reference text. So I'm going to just call this reference text, since it's the basic section, I'm just going to type basic. I'm also going to need to replace the second test. And then I'm going to hit update. When I return to the summary view, I can see that that anchor is in place. So that this basic text does not show up on your course page, go ahead and highlight it and change the text color to white. And then you can save changes. Now you can see that there's a space here, but you cannot see the anchor itself. Next thing we want to do up at the top is we want to copy the page URL. I'm going to go ahead and scroll up to where I want to reference that section or that anchor. And I'm going to go ahead and put mine up here in the top. I don't really have a picture that I want to reference, so I'm just going to type basic, and then I'm going to hyperlink this text, clicking on the link button, and I'm going to paste that URL for the course. Now here's where we're going to tie in this URL to our anchor text. I'm going to delete where it says section 4 behind the hashtag, and I'm going to type basic. And I'm going to choose insert. I can see now that it's blue that it does have a link attached to it. And I'm going to hit save and return to course. Now when I click on that text, it's going to pull down to where that anchor is located. I'm going to do it one more time just so you have a better idea of how this works. Again, I'm going to copy and paste my HTML anchor code, and I'm actually going to go down a little bit further, and I'm going to go to the SBBB and technology section. I'm going to edit summary. I'm going to select HTML. I'm going to put that code at the very top, and I'm going to replace both test with my reference text, and I'm just going to put SBBB this time. I'm going to select update. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that text and change the color to white, and I'm going to save changes. Again, I'm going to copy the URL. I'm going to go back to the top where I want to put my reference text. And this can also be done with a picture, so I could choose the picture and then link it to that, but I already have that image linked. I'm going to type SBBB and technology. I guess I could spell right. Select that text, insert link, paste the URL, go back to the hashtag, and here's where I type that SBBB text, and I'm going to choose insert. I'm going to save and return to course. And now when I click on SBB and technology, it takes me down to that section. You can also add return to top to all of your sections using this anchor code. So if I wanted in every one of my topics, if I hit edit summary, this time we're going to do the opposite. We're going to type return to top. We're going to highlight it, link it, paste that course URL, and we're going to title it this time. Our reference text is going to be top. And I'm going to hit insert. I'm going to hit save changes. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that anchor to the very top of the course page. So I'm going to edit summary. I'm going to select HTML. I'm going to return. Copy and paste my code again. And instead of test, I'm going to put top. I'm going to update. I'm going to change it to white. And hit save changes. Now, when I'm down in a section where it says return to top, it's going to take me to the top of the page again. Again, using these anchors is just a quick way to add in easy navigation to your course.